How are you doing? So I got a quick, easy video to help you get started on how to use AI in Photoshop. So getting into it right here, if you do not see this taskbar right here, you may have accidentally hit it. To get it up, what you will want to do is go to the window and come all the way down to contextual taskbar. And then you'll have it right here. This is what we're going to be using to do all these different AI modifications here. So we're going to start with the selection tool, and we're going to just kind of select her. It doesn't need to be perfect. The AI will figure it out. So for just removing images, you can usually get away with just hitting generate without typing any kind of context or anything you want the AI to do. So it's going to do its thinking. And what you'll get is a divorce. There you go. You no longer have your wife in the picture. You have 3 different options down here. You'll see for each one of your edits, it'll give you 3 different options. It also creates a new layer on the side, so you can just hide that layer, and it just doesn't modify your original picture. So for my second example, what I'm going to want to do is expand this picture. Let's just say I want it wider, I want it bigger. So you're going to click on the crop tool, and you're going to just, spread it out to however far you'd like it. You're going to hit enter, finish that selection. Once again, you're going to get the rectangular marquee tool to select this area you want it to fill in. Again, you're going to hit generate. You don't need to type anything into the window, and you're going to hit generate again. And it's going to do its thinking. And what it will do, it's just going to expand this image. And there you go. Sometimes you do see, I see a little bit of a line here, but you can play with it. It'll usually figure it out, especially when you're getting yourself multiple selections here. So that one looks pretty good. There's your wider image. Also, let me go back here. Let's just say in this image, you do want some sort of object. You want to add clouds. You want to add an animal. Let's just say, for example, I don't know, you want some sort of goat or mountain goat in there. So you're going to hit Generative Fill, and you're going to type in, let's just say goat. You're going to hit generate, and what you're hoping for is it'll generate a goat within that box that looks, realistic. So there we have a goat. We can look through our different selections of goats and see which one we like. So for my third example, let's just say we want to change the surface of this apple. We want to give it a different or new background. So what I'm going to select is, I'm going to select this quick selection tool. I want to get this apple fully selected. Let's kind of back it up here. It does not need to be perfect. Again, like I said, the AI will figure it out. Let's reverse this, because now we have this apple selected. We want to change the surface. So we're going to reverse this, and now you can see we have the wood selected. We're going to hit Generative Fill, and let's just say we want the apple floating on the surface of water or maybe underwater. So I'm just going to type in water and hit generate. So the AI will do its thinking. Guess what you want. There we go. So now we have an apple that looks like it's boiling in water or just dropped into water. Let's see for our second selection. So that apple is splashing into water. And this apple, again, it looks like it just splashed into the water. So you can therefore pick your selection. You could try it over and over again, and you'll get slightly different variations. Let's go back. Let's say we want to change the surface of the wood. So now I'm back just at the selected wood. Let's just change it to a different type of wood. So I'm just going to type in wood, hit generate, and let's see what different types of wood the AI will generate for us. Okay, so perfect. We got a different type of wood. Again, second selection. And then our third selection. So we can select what we think looks best. As a designer, yes, this may in a way be taking, your job, but they're always going to need somebody who knows how to operate these systems and how they work. So I suggest you get on top of this, get into it yourself, learn it, learn how to do it, and have it become a tool to just increase your workflow, help you be more creative and things like that. So that's all I have for you on my quick little video about how to use AI in Photoshop. If you want to support me, please click the like button and subscribe. You can also leave a comment if you have any questions or any ideas for other videos for me. But that's all I have for you right now. I'll see you in the next video.